Hi everyone, welcome to EvaBest Crypto Hub YouTube channel, and thank you so much for joining us on today's video. It's been long I uploaded a video, but I'm glad that this video is coming out today, and hopefully more will come forth. In today's video, I want to talk about how to add any coin or token to your Trust wallet. I know this is a very basic thing to do for people that have been in the crypto space, but for newbies it's kind of pretty challenging because I get this question a lot on our WhatsApp group and on Telegram channel. So I want to address it today, and I took our time to prepare this detailed guide to guide people on how to add their any coin or token to their Trust wallet. And basically there are two ways of doing that, so I'll be walking through the two ways. And if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe and hit the like bell icon, so that whenever there's a video like this, you'll be the first or be among the first to know. Okay, so let's go. Now welcome to this short tutorial on how to add any coin or token to your Trust wallet. There are two ways to do this, and I will explain them briefly. Let's go straight into it. Now there are two basic options. Option one has to do with you typing the name of the the name of the coin or token you want to have on your Trust wallet, and enable it so it can show on your Trust wallet. This is the most common way to enable coins or tokens on Trust wallet, and most persons are already familiar with this method. I will still show how it's being done for the benefit of those beginners who know nothing about it. Now, I believe by now you must have downloaded your Trust wallet. You have a Trust wallet account. Then go over and open it. When you open your Trust wallet, normally you see a basic wallet displaying like this. Now, sorry, let me bring my tool in a minute. All right, so when you go, you see that your wallet is highlighted, right? We have wallet, we have the apps, we have DEX, and we have setting. Now, for the benefit of this guide, this tutorial will be concentrating on the wallet. So when you're on the wallet, your default coins will display this way. Now I use this account for the purpose of this illustration and this guide. Now when you have this, what I want you to do is step one. I said click on the icon as shown in the image below. Now this is the image, obviously, and this is the icon I want you to click, that one that the arrow is pointing. Now when you click on that, this is what will happen. It will take you to the step number 2. You have this page pop up here. Now this is where you type the name of the coin or token that you want to add in the search bar as shown below. This is the search bar here. So in this example, we'll be using VeChain. Now I just type VET or VeChain. When I type that, this is what happened. You see the list of coins that starts with VET, that has VE or VET to them. Now this is the one I want to add to my Trust wallet, the first one that pop up. So let's move to the next step. The next step says, once the name appears, click the icon to the right to enable the coin or token to display on your Trust wallet as shown below. Now this is what this statement is talking about. If you look to the below that one, you see all these ones that are in ash color, meaning they are not enabled. And when a coin is not enabled on Trust wallet, it will not show, it will not display when you go to the wallet icon. So what I want you to do is tap on this VeChain first button. When you click on it, when you click on that button, this is what will happen. It will automatically turn to blue, as you can see here. The rest are ash color, they are not enabled. Now VET is enabled. Now let's look what will happen once we do that. You'll see that once done correctly, the coin or token will appear as shown below. Now this is what it will look like. You can see your VET is now showing on your Trust wallet. It has been enabled. So this is pretty much how you enable coin on your Trust wallet. It's very easy, very basic. But then there are some coin that when you let me move back to this step. When you type them on this search bar, when you type them on this search bar, they will not appear like this, meaning Trust Wallet have not listed them on their list of coins on their Trust Wallet, on their wallet. So when you find yourself in that case, remember this is option 1 on how to add coin to your Trust Wallet. So when you find yourself in that situation, what you will do is using the option 2 that I will briefly talk about. Now, congrats on adding your coin or token to Trust Wallet. Let's see how to add coin or token using option 2. Option 2, this second option involves you adding a coin or token to your Trust Wallet manually. We do this for coins or tokens that are not on Trust Wallet after following the steps in the option 1 above. This second option will need you to get the contract address of the coin or token to add. One best way to get the contract address is using CoinMarketCap or copy the contract address from other source. Now, in the case of airdrops, let's say someone send you airdrop information for you to claim on Trust Wallet. Now, what you do is the contract address and other useful information about coin or token most times come with the airdrop instructions. It's very basic. When someone sends you airdrop, you always see the contract address, the coin name, you see the symbol and the decimal. So another great place to get contract address is on Binance Smart Chain Scan or Ethereum Scan tools. You just go to your browser, you type bscscan.com or ethscan.com, then you will see the space, a search bar for you to type the name of any coin you want to get their contract address, and the contract address will display. Now, the following information will be used as an example in this option 2. Now, I will be using the coin name called Transhuman coin. It's a new coin, so I'll be using it for an example. This is the screenshot that I got from someone. I showed how to add this particular Transhuman coin to his Trust Wallet, so I'll be using this. Now, the contract address is already displaying there. You have the coin name Transhuman coin. The symbol can also be referred to the ticker. It's THC. Then the decimal is 9. So quickly, let's see how this can be done. Step 1, copy out or write down the following things about a coin or token that you want to add manually to your Trust Wallet. The contract address, make sure you copy it out. Make sure you know the name of the token or coin. Make sure you know the symbol and you know the decimal. Very important. Now, number 2, go to your Trust Wallet and click on the icon as shown in the image below. Same process like the option 1. Click on this icon. Once you do that, you go to the next the next step. The next step says copy and paste the contract address of the coins or token you want to add in the space shown in the image below. Now, this is the space just like we did in option 1. Now, but in this case, you're not typing the name of the coin. Remember, if you type the name of the coin, it will not show you the coin because it has not been listed on Trust Wallet. So you want to paste the contract address that you copied previously. Now, when you paste the contract address, this is what will happen. You will notice that the coin or token is not displaying anything. Rather, you will see a message as shown in the image below telling you to add custom token. Click on it so you can add it manually. Now, this is the difference between option 1 and option 2 ways of adding coin to Trust Wallet. In this option 2, the coin has not been listed, so even when you type the name, you won't see. So you have to paste the contract address. Then this will pop up telling you that the coin is not on Trust Wallet or the token is not on Trust Wallet. You have to manually add it yourself to Trust Wallet. So that's why you see add custom token. Now, adding custom token is pretty simple. What you need to do is, after clicking on the add custom token icon, you need to click on this icon that this arrow is pointing. Just tap on this. Once you tap on this, it will take you to this image you're seeing below. Now, after clicking on the custom token, change the network to Smart Chain. Very important. That is, if the coin or token you want to add is on a Binance Smart Chain. But if it's on an Ethereum Smart Chain, leave it like that because it comes on default. The default is Ethereum, right? But most of the coin that we have these days are based on airdrop and all that is on Binance Smart Chain. So you want to click on this network and change it to Binance Smart Chain. Once done, the next thing is you paste the copied contract address. Remember, you have to copy it before even coming to Trust Wallet. So paste the contract address in this space provided here, contract address. Once done, the next thing is for you to type the name of the coin type the name of the coin here, input the name of the coin. Once you're done, put the symbol of the coin. In this case, the name of the coin will be transhuman coin, right? The example we are using. Then the symbol will be THC, right? Then once you're done, put the decimal. The next decimal is 9. Now, once you're done, what you will do is you click here, you tap done. Once you finish putting all this information, you go ahead and tap on done. Once you tap on done, the next thing you will see is the next thing you will see is this, right? So after typing, this is what you will see. Remember, I said change the network to smart chain. So we have smart chain here. Input the contract address. We have the contract address here. Put the name. The name is THC or transhuman coin. Then the symbol is THC also. In this case, I used THC. You can as well put transhuman coin and THC, depending on the coin you want to add though. Then you can see this decimal is 9. Once I'm done, I click on the button, button done. Then once I click on done, this is what I will see. After clicking on done, go back to your Trust Wallet to see the coin as shown below. Now this is our coin that we added manually. You can see it. It's showing 0 because there is nothing on it. This is how you go about adding your coin manually. I just hope these congrats first of all for successfully adding a coin or token to your Trust Wallet. And I hope this simple guide is of help to you. Bye for now, and I will see you on the next one. Then this, if you want to see more about us, this is about EvaBest Crypto Orb. This is the name, the tag, the year we started, all that. These are contact, email, phone, WhatsApp, Telegram. Do well to check the description of this video. That will put this information so that you can join our WhatsApp group. We have a community of crypto traders and investors like mine that are making and building wealth in the crypto space. Then if you're new to cryptocurrency or you want to try out good exchanges that are working, I use basically 3 exchanges. I use Binance, I use Gate, I use OKs. Now I'll explain to you why I do this. Binance is one major exchange that a lot of persons are used to, okay? So I won't talk much on that. But the reason why I'm using Gate exchange, even though it's an Asian exchange, is because most of the coins that are not on Binance, I get them easily on Get Exchange because Get Exchange lists coin easily than Binance. So it's a win-win for me. I use Binance, I use Get also. Then another exchange that I find their service or user-friendly and okay for me is OK's exchange. So you can make your choice between these 3, the one you want to use. If you're only on Binance, I will suggest you try Get or OK's exchange out, and I believe you won't regret it. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.